Hey, what's going on, everybody? Coming back with another video. Finally got the house, got a garage, which I'm grateful. I finally got it. Uh, got things I need to get done to this turd bucket over here, and got to get my other spare H22A built. It is running, nothing wrong with it. But this video is going to be about my buddy's car. Alright, while the WD-40 is soaking in some more, I guess I'm going to go ahead and start disconnecting all the wiring, O2 sensors, the main engine harness, get all the engine. Alright, man, so we're making some progress on the turd bucket. Got the wires disconnected, getting ready to pull this radiator hose off. Everything's out of the way, disconnected. Draining the coolant. I got the wheel off. Got to get ready to pop this wheel off over here. And yeah, get ready to get the axles out. Now I can get the exhaust manifold off and get ready to secure this motor so we can get ready to start popping motor mounts off. Alright, about an hour and a half in. Getting ready to pop the first axle out. If you ever want to get your axle out, whatever you do, don't beat on the axle, and whatever you do, don't beat on the ball joint. Smack on the lower control arm. Get that out of the way so you can see. Smack on the lower control arm, that way it pops it loose and it'll just come right out. But and then you can slide that back so you can slide your axle out. Alright, so it's out, and yeah, I guess I get to get the transmission separated from it and get the head off, so when I go back to work tomorrow I can send it out to the head shop, have the head looked over, and yeah, I'm going to get the wheels back on this, push this chassis outside, and maybe continue to work on this. I don't know, I might just get the head off and just call it a day. It's supposed to be 106 degrees today. But yeah, it took me, I don't know, 3 hours. I wasn't even hitting it hard. Very simple, If you're a first time mechanic, just watch what you're doing and be confident. These aren't bad. They're relatively easy. But yeah, looking forward to building this thing. Can't wait to get in the inside and start taking everything apart and getting it back in and hear it run for the first time. But all right, that's it for this video. Let's pull in a D16Y7 out of a Honda Civic DX.